Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick run through of how my drying rack system works in my TAB classroom when students have painting available as one of their choices. When I arrive to my classroom in the morning, usually my drying rack looks like this, and what I like to do is I like to just double check and make sure that the papers in the drying rack have names and class codes. I will then stack the papers into one pile and place them back into the drying rack. Usually before the end of the class, I will just double check this section and make sure that everybody within that class has written their name and class code. Then what I can do is I can take that drying rack, turn it around, and then I'm ready for the next day's classes. So this will be 1B and 1A that I will be seeing in first grade, and 2B and 2A in second grade. At the beginning of class, I just grab that stack of papers. When I see 1B, pass them out, or I choose a student helper to help pass them out as well. When it comes to larger papers though, they will not necessarily fit in my drying rack, or especially when I'm working with kindergarten students who don't have choice yet. I use this larger rack, and then I also have labels that I will add to my drying rack and place them next to the stack where that pile ends for that particular section or class. This drying rack is a little trickier, so students cannot be as independent. It does require a little assistance when moving the shelves down, and I actually have a video about that as well. I'm curious to see what you do to organize your painting papers in your tab-based, choice-based classroom. How do you keep those papers organized by grades and sections? Let me know.